This is the latest model from Gilbern to carry the Welsh Dragon onto the motor industry scene. To overcome a major item in car buying, enthusiasts have in the past avoided purchase tax by buying their cars in component form and assembling them themselves. Gilbern had made it their business to supply this do-it-yourself car market. Why then have they now decided to abandon this policy in favour of producing tax-paid complete cars? Michael Leather, Gilbern's managing director, explains.
It's early days yet with the Mk3 to know exactly how this is going to affect us, but it certainly is a very big change. And of course, it's a change that we felt it appropriate to make at this time because, as you know, value-added tax is coming in early next year. We didn't want to be in a position where we were having to change over to tax-paid cars with a model which people had got used to buying in component form. So that I felt that now, with a new model, was an appropriate time to change.
The publicity sheet for the Mk3 reads, "The quality stems from the traditional Welsh craftsmen who hand-build each car to a high standard of finish." Is this just a throwaway compliment, or is Michael Leather satisfied that he would want to meet any future expansion by staying in Wales?
It sounds good in publicity, but certainly not entirely a throwaway compliment. We have a number of people here who've been here since the company started, and they've built up skills and knowledge which are completely invaluable. And with regard to labour that we've acquired since then, we certainly find people in this area very adaptable, very willing and able to pick up the skills required. Not a throwaway compliment at all. We're very proud of the labour here, and we find it suits the car well and produces a very good car.
Is it also true that availability of labour in Wales is an attractive feature?
Labour is fairly easily available, yes, but not necessarily in the particular skills immediately that we require. So there is a training period in each case. So we can get labour, and we then have to spend anything between 4 and 12 weeks training it up in the particular skills.
Are the workers here aware that they are producing cars just like the people at Dagenhams or wherever are, and perhaps feel that they're badly done by because they're, far removed from those centres?
I think the workers here are well aware of what's going on in other parts of the country. There's no doubt about that. I believe that we pay a competitive rate for this area, and this is the important thing.
Excuse me, Mr. Lambert. Can we have a quick word? If you were doing this particular job in Coventry, how much more do you think you'd be earning?
About twice as much as I am now, I expect.
Are you happy, though, with that sort of situation?
In this area, you have to be. If I wanted other money, well, I got to move, haven't I?